Let's take a look at integrating succession and career planning. In order to be competitive, all organizations must adapt their talent management program to the many forces that are consistently disrupting their business environment. Elements of these programs are called succession planning, leadership development, workforce planning, talent management, or career planning. It thus makes sense to begin this discussion with a few definitions to clarify terms. Replacement planning is the process of identifying emergency backups for key people or key positions. They are identified to serve in an acting capacity for long enough for an organization's leaders to conduct a proper search. Succession planning is the process of developing the talent already existing in the organization for future deployment. Succession management is the daily process of cultivating future talent through coaching, mentoring, feedback, counseling, and development. Career planning is the process individuals go through to clarify their future career goals and aspirations and establish strategies to achieve them. Career management is the process organizations go through to clarify the relationships of jobs to each other. Talent management is the process of attracting, developing, retaining, and deploying the best people. Human capital management involves managing the organization's people, but it also implies the growing financial importance of the creativity and innovation that humans bring to achieving competitive advantage. Workforce planning is the process of comparing the match between the collective talents available to an organization, supply, and the talent needed by an organization, demand, to achieve its strategic objectives. Disruptive, competitive environments give birth to disruptive talent management strategies. This means that a premium will be placed on individuals with skills and attributes that are entrepreneurial, adaptive, and risk-oriented. Succession planning helps to build the bench strength of an organization to meet future talent needs. Career planning gives individuals the ability to compare their current competencies to those needed for the future. Components of the exemplary succession planning and career planning program depend on which organizations are benchmarked, of course, and some variations do exist by industry as well as by organization size. Talent can be developed only when it's clear what work people are expected to do and what characteristics are apparent and desirable in the existing talent inventory of the organization. To clarify what work people do, the organization should have current job descriptions. To clarify what kind of people should do the work, the organization should clarify the competencies essential to successful job performance. An organization cannot always rely on internally developing talent as a sole mean by which to find the right people for the right work at the right time. So selecting talent from outside the organization will always be necessary. Effective programs address both the retention of talent and the transfer of knowledge. Talent retention is often the latest developed of succession or talent management strategy. While the reasons for this might be debated, the reality is that few organizations do as much as they could to retain talent. Knowledge transfer focuses on retaining institutional memory and proprietary knowledge that can be lost when experienced employees depart organizations.